Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in Bitcoiva Exchange. When you enter the website for registration, click on register. Then we enter the registration section. Enter a username for your account, then enter your email address. In this section enter your mobile number, then choose a password for your account, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, plus minimum 8 characters or more. If you have a referral code, enter it here. Then check this box to agree to the terms and conditions of the website. Finally, after entering all the informations, click on register now. We enter the login section, enter your email and password, then click on login. We're going to receive an OTP code in our email. Go to your email, click on Bitcoiva profile, copy the code, then paste it here. After entering the code, click on submit. We entered our account's dashboard, our account has been created, and in the next video, we're going to teach you how to verify your account in Bitcoiva Exchange. Good luck.